in the army of Timur, he would pick up an elephant or a camel that is sitting, just like how we pick up a bag on our shoulder. That's how strong he was. He would stand, he would sit on the horse, and his feet would touch the ground. That's how tall he was. It's Mashur of Abbas that he used to be so tall. Nevertheless, anyone can say, what is this? This is a weak person, and look at the realities. He said, no, I'm a warmonger. The only thing I know that someone who can drop me, I know that he's better than me. So if he can drop my people, then I know that he's on the truth and Allah's help is with him. So Abdul Rashid, he agreed to this wrestle. All night he spent in ibadah. And he said, oh Allah, today I lose the dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And in Tuhli Tariq I saw, if this group of yours that is taking the name of Allah, taking your name, if today we are destroyed and Allah, no one will take your name again. That's what the dua of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He said, well, if I am destroyed today, then the Satan will take over the entire Muslim empire. Let me not be ruined in front of their faces. Next morning he stands up, and in the wrestling ring, the first punch Abdul Rashid gives to this person becomes KO. Timur Len's minister in general accepts Islam. They call the entire army, 1 million members. 1 million members accept Islam on the hand of Timur Tuglu. Till now his grave is in Mongolia, and it's written that this is that Mongol king who accepted Islam, and after him 1 million people accepted Islam. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has his plan, on the other side, Abu Khan was massacring cities after cities, Iraq, and going all the way up, right up to Egypt. Before Egypt was the last, Misr, Cairo, was the last standing fort of the Muslims at that time. Otherwise, everything was conquered, everything was under the hand of the Mongols. What happened is Timur Tuglu, the Wali of Misr, writes a letter to Timur that I know you didn't know that he accepted Islam. I know you are a good man and you have your advisors as Muslims around you. Can you tell your brother, your cousin brother, Abu Khan, that not to bring his army into Egypt? So Timur sends a message to his cousin Halab, and he says, you are not allowed to take this army into Egypt, otherwise you and I will clash. So this person replies, and he says, in the letters of Genghis Khan, he said, the brothers don't fight with each other. You are my brother, why do you want to fight with me? He said, no, I'm no longer your brother. You are a kafir, and your great-grandfather was also a kafir, meaning Genghis Khan. I am now a Muslim, and I'll defend my Muslim brothers and sisters. And that clash that Maulana talked about, they came to the borders of Gaza and they were defeated. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all understanding that we remain steadfast in our deen.